In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ElevenLabs in n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. First, if you're not familiar with n8n, it's a fantastic workflow automation tool that allows you to connect various services and create seamless integrations. ElevenLabs, on the other hand, is a cutting-edge voice synthesis platform that lets you generate speech from text. Combining these two powerful tools can really enhance your automation projects. To get started with setting up ElevenLabs in n8n, the first thing you need to do is log into your n8n instance. If you haven't set one up yet, you can easily do so by visiting the n8n website and following the instructions there. Once you have logged into n8n, the next step is to create a new workflow. You can do this by clicking on the New button located at the top of your dashboard. Now, a new screen will open up where you can start building your workflow. The first integration you need is with ElevenLabs. To do this, locate the Node panel on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a wide array of pre-built integrations or nodes. In the search bar, type HTTP request and select that node. This node is what will enable n8n to communicate with ElevenLabs API. Once you've added the HTTP request node to your workflow, it's time to configure it. Click on the node to open the Settings panel. In the HTTP method dropdown, choose Post, because we will be sending data to ElevenLabs. Next, in the URL field, you need to input ElevenLabs API endpoint for synthesizing speech. This will depend on the documentation available on the ElevenLabs website. Make sure to copy and paste the exact URL, as this is crucial for the integration to work correctly. Now let's move on to the headers. Click on the Headers section in your HTTP node, and you will want to add two key headers: content type and authorization. The content type should be set to application JSON. For the authorization header, you will need a personal API key from your ElevenLabs account. This will ensure that n8n has the necessary credentials to call the ElevenLabs API. After setting up the headers, it's time to input the body of your request. In the body section, you're going to send a JSON object that contains the text you want to synthesize. Consult the ElevenLabs API documentation for the specific structure. You might include parameters like the text itself, the voice type, and any other options provided by ElevenLabs. Now that your HTTP request node is configured correctly, let's test the integration. Click on the Execute Node button in the right corner of the configuration panel. If everything is set up properly, n8n should return a response including the generated audio URL or file from ElevenLabs. Finally, you can connect this node to other parts of your workflow. Maybe you want to send the audio file via email or store it in a cloud service. The flexibility of n8n allows you to do all of that seamlessly. And there you have it. You've just set up ElevenLabs in n8n, allowing you to generate voice synthesis for your workflows. Remember, experimenting with the different features in both ElevenLabs and n8n can lead to even more creative automations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on automation. Thanks for watching, and happy